Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will discuss about SQL interview questions, and these are the real-time questions asked in the interview. The source is the EXL service interview. So the question number one, write the inner, left, right, and full join SQL syntax with the proper result sets. So they have given two tables. One is original table and second is a revised table. In the original tables, there are two columns, column ID and color. Okay, C1, C2, C3, C4. Whereas revised table, we have three columns, C3, C4, C5. Okay, so we will discuss the discussion uh, about the joins. Okay, so for this purpose, I have created a table into the MySQL workbench. So you can see the create table that original column ID here as a varchar 50 we define as a primary key, then color as varchar 50. Okay, so similarly another table we define here as create table revised column ID varchar 50 primary key color varchar 50. Then we will insert the records into this. So insert into the original table column ID color value. These are the values given into the from the tables actually. So all the values we have inserted, and then right now we will start that write the first query. Of course, the first query this is the first query we return. So they given the two conditions actually. They have given the first condition is like to display all the column actually display four column. Okay, two column from original tables and two column from revised table second table. So that's why we return like syntax is select, we given as a alias name as a t1. So t1 dot column id comma t1 dot color, that is for the t1 means the table is original table. T2 is a alias name for column id comma t2 color. This t2 is for revised table actually. From original as alias as t1 inner join revised t2 on the condition is t1 dot column id equal to t2 dot column id. Okay, and t1 dot color is equal to t2 dot color. Okay, so interviewer asked like if suppose there are two columns, if we are two columns are we consider into the conditions, so what will be the result actually. So we written like this and we will run this query. Yeah, you can see the only matching records like it will return like column id c3 color green, column id c3 color green. Okay, during the interview you have to write the answer whatever the output is generated here. Okay, so according to that you have to write the answers. So this is the first answer we have seen. So this is the syntax as I told, and then this is the answer c3 green, c3 green means all matching records we found. Suppose then he provided another condition is like if suppose if we use only the primary key on the on condition, if we use only the primary key, so what then what is the result actually. If you remove this the t1 dot color equal to t2 dot color, so what will happen, we will get that c3 green, c3 green and c4 orange and c4 left orange. Why? Because this according to the column id we are matching the records. So these column ids are matched, so that's why here color is not matched actually. Color is not matched, here is orange and here is light orange. So that's why color is not matched, but we are considering on the column basis, so this is a correct answer. Okay, let's see. So here I have removed this second conditions color. Then when I run this I will get the same result whatever I it is written in the notes. Okay, so this is a second condition. So interviewer, he asked the questions, he given the conditions, according to you have to write the proper display the answers actually. Okay, next what happened for the left join. So we will consider only one column now. Okay, we will consider now one column, and for the left join what will happen, you know the what is the basic of left joins, it will retrieve the all the values from the left side. Okay, and whenever there is a unmatch in the right side it is mentioning as null, and whenever there is a match it is whatever the matching records we will get it. So these C3 green, C3 green, C4, C4 are matched, but here C1 and C2 is unmatched, so that's why it is printed as a null. Okay, so answer for the left join is, here you can see the answer is C1 to for C2 it's a null. Okay, and automatically here there is a nothing, so we have written here just null. So this is the answer for left join. Okay, so interviewer expected these answers actually. Now the next question is regarding the right joint. So what happened for the right joints? Yes, of course. The right joints, whatever the matching records, the matching records is here is C3 and C4. We will get the C3 and C4. And the right side actually unmatched record. So right side there is a C5. We will take as C5, and this C5 is here it is not matched. So that's why C5 here we written as null. Okay, so this is the output of right join. Okay, we will see whether it is correct. Okay, here you can see the answer is, yeah, this is the answer, C3 and C4 match, whereas the C5 is from the right side it is unmatched, so we will get the result actually. Okay, so similarly for homework there is a next question. So according to that you should write the full join and print the results actually here. Okay, so column id here we written as a full join. Okay, on basis of the column id. So what will happen here, whatever the records, matching records, okay, from the both side actually, the matching records are here, that is matching columns. The matching records are nothing but, we will see here, matching records is nothing but it's a C3 and C4. C3 and C4, those are the matchings it will print. Then whatever the records which is available in the left side, that is C1 and C2, it will print as null. And in C5 in the right side there is a C5, in left side it will print as a null. Okay, so we will get as a five records here. Okay, so this is a little small homework to you. Okay, try to find out the answer for the full join and just paste into the comment box. Okay, so it is for your practice. Okay, so we will discuss more interview questions, more SQL interview questions in upcoming videos. So like the video. Thank you.